Welcome to this course on exercise in ARPIT 2019 chemistry. In the last class we have seen the point groups in monoclinic, like A is not equal to B is not equal to C, alpha is equal to gamma is equal to 90, beta is not equal to 90. So this is basic condition. We have seen this phase group P2. Just to recollect, now we have to remember this is down C axis projection. Origin is here, this is our A and this is B. Twofold is operating along the B axis. Remember, B is the symmetry axis. Now we will remove the origin. When you rotate along the B, it goes down. So this is X, Y, Z. This is X bar, Y, Z bar. So you get one here. So there are two asymmetric parts. Consisting of X, Y, Z and X bar, Y, Z bar. Now we will go to PM. Remember, B is perpendicular to the AC plane, the mirror plane. So when we go for the projection diagram, the mirror is shown as a thick line. It gets reflected. So X, Y, Z becomes X, Y bar, Z. Obviously along B axis unit transition brings it here. Now we can see a mirror getting generated or operating at B by 2. Now it is X, Y, Z, X, Y bar, Z. We will compare P2 and PM. In P2, X, Y, Z becomes X bar, Y, Z bar. In PM, X, Y, Z becomes X, Y bar, Z. Now we can see that the rotation is along the B axis. Here mirror perpendicular to the B axis. In rotation, X, Y, Z becomes X bar, Y, Z bar. The Y axis sign does not change, while refraction perpendicular to Y makes it X, Y, Z becomes X, Y bar, Z. The next one is, we'll go to P2 by M. P2 point group is 2, PM point group is M. P2 by M, P point group is 2 by M. Again, the twofold is along the B axis. Mirror is perpendicular to B. So you get this here. rotation takes it here, and you get the inversion here. So inversion center is generated. Similarly here, here, here. So inversion is here. Between this and this, we can see the inversion is generated here. Inversion is coming here. Inversion is generated here. Inversion here. Similar inversion here. Inversion here. So we can see the inversions are getting generated at 0, 0, 0, off 0, 0, 0, off 0, off 0 in the projection. So x, y, z, x, y bar, z, x bar, y bar, z bar, x bar, y, z bar. 4 asymmetric units in P2 by M. Now we will go to C2 space group. Sorry. Now we will go to P21. Point group is again 2. Here there is a rotation followed by off translation generating a 2-1 screw along the B axis. So the screw is represented like off arrow. This is B, this is C. So when I rotate along the B, it comes here, it's a minus. This is translated, you get it here. So this disappears. So this is x, y, z, this is x bar of plus y z bar. You can see that a 2-4 rotation makes it x bar y z bar of translation along the B axis gives y plus off. Therefore, x, y, z gives x bar off plus y z bar. Again, there are two asymmetric units. Now we will go to P21 by M. Again the point group is 2 by M. Interestingly, here this is the 2-1 screw along the B. A mirror perpendicular to B So this makes it here for 2 1. A mirror gives it here. Now we can see that inversion is at this point, that is I is at b by 4. The inversion should occur at 0 0 0 or combination of off. Now the symmetry operation should be suitably adjusted. The screw takes it by half unit in the B axis. To compensate the translation, the mirror should be suitably adjusted to get the inversion at the appropriate place. So we can shift the mirror. The screw remains as it is. The mirror which was here shifted by 1/4. So the mirror comes here. Now this gets rotated, it comes here, and this gets reflected and you get it here. So your inversion is getting generated. So these are the inversion centers. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. X, Y, Z, X bar, R plus Y, Z bar, X, R minus Y, Z, X bar, Y bar, Z bar. There are 4 asymmetric units. Next we will see PC. The point group is M. Here there is a mirror perpendicular to the B axis. Further, the mirror is acting as a guide, taking the image by half unit in the AC plane along the C axis. Now we will draw this basic unit cell, and this is our B, and this is our A. Mirror perpendicular to B axis, that is, this is the axis. But now this AC plane is the glide plane. So it should be represented as a dot. That means this is here, this is the image in shimmer, but this has been taken by off unit, so it is represented this way. So same thing here. So we can see this one again by the glide plane. Now we will do down B axis projection to understand. Now this becomes my C and A. AC is the mirror plane, and this is my beta. So whichever is here gets reflected, it becomes like this. Then it's along the C axis, so it goes this way and you get it here. It's mode. Here this mirror is shown like this, but now it's a glide. So the arrow shows in the C axis direction, that means the image is moved in the C axis. Now we can see here this becomes X, Y, Z. This is X, Y bar, R plus Z. So same thing here, X, Y, Z. This becomes X, Y becomes Y bar. This is moved by off unit, so R plus Z. Now we will go to C-centered lattice. C-centered lattice is nothing but primitive plus A plus B by 2 centered. Okay, so when we go for C2, again this is the two-fold axis. So what we do here is the P2, same thing equivalent at the, this is A plus B by 2. Equivalent origin to 0, 0, 0. Now this is X, Y, Z, X bar, Y, Z bar. Now when you see this one, this is X plus R, X, Y plus R Z, or R plus X, R plus Y Z. That is half of 0 is added to the primitive equivalent. This becomes half minus x half plus y z bar. That is, for this half plus x half plus y z, for this half minus x half plus y z bar. Interestingly, in C2 now we can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Now between 1 and 4 we can relate these two by a new symmetry that gets generated by default. Let us imagine here there is a rotation. So it comes here. Rotation is here. But this is shifted to this place by half translation. Therefore, it becomes a screw at a by 4 along B. Now let us redraw. Similarly, one is getting generated here. So these two are the generated to one screw along the B axis. Now we will go to CM. Again, point group is M. We know that a mirror perpendicular to B okay, so this comes here. One more here, it comes here. Now we can see that x, y, z, x, y bar is z. This point is half of 0. So this becomes half plus x, half plus y is z. This becomes half minus half plus x, half minus y is z. One, two, 3, 4. compare 1 and 4. One can see 4 is generated by a mirror at b by 4 perpendicular to the b axis. So we can see that it can be considered here. But this is getting shifted here. So we can see that this 1 and 4 are related by a reflection followed by half translation along the axis. Therefore, it becomes A glide perpendicular to the B axis. You can repeat it here. There's a mirror. But now we should show the glide. So glide is shown as a broken line. One will be coming at B by B, 3 by 4, B by 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 4 are related by A glide perpendicular to the B axis. This A glide is a generated symmetry. Now let us in PM 2 asymmetric unit, in CM 4 asymmetric unit. That is x, y, z, x, y bar z goes to x, y, z, x, y bar z plus r plus 0. Now we will go to C2 by M. Again the point group is 2 by M. The two-fold is along the B axis and a mirror perpendicular to B. So you get it here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 x, y, z, 2 x bar, y, z bar, 2 fold, 3 x y bar z mirror for x bar y bar z bar. Inversion plus r plus 0. Let us see here. A mirror here, two-fold here, now 1 2 3 3 4 5 6 7 8. Compare 1 and 8. Of course, the inversions are here. Between 1 and 8, I inversion is seen at a plus b by 4. Therefore, 1 2 3 4 is related to 5 6 7 8 by inversion at a plus b by 4. Compare 1 and 6. 1 and 6 are related by a 2-1 screw along B at A by 4. So, this is a generated symmetry. Therefore, 1 2 3 4 is related to 5 6 7 8 by a 2-1 screw along B. Compare 1 and 7. They are related by a glide at B by 4. So, this becomes inversion here, inversion here, inversion here. So in C2 by M, twofold along B axis, mirror perpendicular to the B axis, the generated symmetries are I at A plus B by 4, A by 4, 3B by 4, 3A by 4, B by 4, 3A plus B by 4. And screw along B at A by 4 and 3A by 4 along B.